Good morning students. Today we are going to solve the problems in worksheet. The first problem is convert each of the given measurements as instructed. 5 hectometer to meter. 1 hectometer equal to 100 meter. Then 5 hectometer equal to 5 into 100, that is equal to 500 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. Then for 5 hectometer we have to multiply 5 and 100. So it is 500 meter. 5 hectometer is equal to 500 meter. Next, 20 liter to deciliter. 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliter. Then 20 liter is equal to 20 into 10, that is equal to 200 deciliter. We already know that 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliter. Then for 20 liter we have to multiply 20 and 10. 20 into 10 is 200 deciliter. For multiplying any number with 10, 100 or 1000, we have to just add zeros according to the number. Here we are having only 1 0. So we have to add 1 0. No need to multiply. Just add 1 0. So 20 liter is equal to 200 deciliter. Next, 1,56,875 grams to kilogram. We are going to convert gram to kilogram. 1 gram is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilogram. Then for 1,56,875 gram, we have to divide 1,56,875 by 1000. Here we are having 3 zeros. So we have to keep the decimal point before 3 places. 1, 2 and 3. So here will be the decimal point. So it is 156.875 kilogram. So the answer is 156.875 kilogram. After converting, you have to mention the unit. The next question is solve the problems. 100.08 liter plus 36 liter equal to dash liter. The given units are in liter and it is asked for liter only. So we can directly add the two numbers. Here the given numbers are in liter and the answer is also asked in liter. So we can add directly. If any other unit is given, then we have to convert it and then we have to add. Here we can add directly because both the units are in liter. 36 is a whole number. So write 36 in whole number part. Now convert 36 into a decimal number by putting 2 zeros and then we have to add. 0 plus 8 is 8, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 6 is 6, 0 plus 3 is 3 and here we don't have any number, so write 1 as it is. So the answer is 136.08 liter. Next, 36 deciliter minus 300 centiliter equal to dash liter. Here the units given are deciliter, centiliter, liter. So first let us convert deciliter and centiliter to liter and then we can subtract. 1 deciliter equal to 1 divided by 10 liter. Then for 36 deciliter we have to divide 36 by 10. In denominator we are having 1 0. So we have to keep the decimal point before 1 place. So it is 3.6 liter. Next, 1 centiliter equal to 1 divided by 100 liter. Then for 300 centiliter we have to divide 300 by 100. We are having 2 zeros in the denominator. So we have to keep the decimal point before two places, 1 and 2. It is 3.00 liter. Next, we are going to subtract 3.6 liter and 3.00 liter. We have to put 1 0 to convert unlike decimal into like decimal, and now we can subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0, 6 minus 0 is 6. Now we have to keep the decimal point. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the answer is 0.6 liter. After the decimal point we are having 0. This 0 has no value, so we can leave that. After the decimal point, the 0 has no value, so we can leave that. If we write that 0 also, no problem. Both are equivalent decimals. We should convert all the units to a single unit, and then we have to subtract. The answer is asked in liter. So I have converted deciliter to liter and centiliter to liter, and then we have to subtract, and that answer will be in liters. The fourth question is, the capacity of a milk can is 5.53 liter. If the milk is used to fill two big jugs, each having a capacity of 1 liter, 120 milliliter, and a small glass having a capacity of 0.41 liter, how much milk will be left in the can? We have to find milk left in the can. The capacity of a milk can is 5.53 liter, and that milk is poured in two big jugs having capacity of 1 liter, 120 milliliter, and the milk is poured in a small glass also. Its capacity is 0.41 liter. We have to find how much milk will be left. First write what is given. Capacity of milk can is given as 5.53 liter. Next, capacity of a jug is given. Each having a capacity of means capacity of one jug is given. We have to find the capacity of two jugs. Capacity of one jug is given as 1 liter 120 milliliter. Capacity of two jugs means we have to multiply 1 liter 120 milliliter by 2. We have to multiply it by 2. First multiply the liter. 1 liter into 2. 1 into 2 is 2. So first we have to write liter, 2 liter. 1 liter into 2 is 2 liter. Next we are having 120 milliliter. Multiply 120 with 2. 0 into 2 is 0, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 2 is 2. So it is 240 milliliter. Now we are going to convert milliliter to liter, because all other given measurements are in liter. Here it is in liter, and the capacity of glass is also in liter. So we are going to convert this milliliter into liter. We know that 1 milliliter equal to 1 divided by 1000 liter. Then for 240 milliliter, we have to divide 240 by 1000. 3 zeros means we have to keep the decimal point before 3 places, 1, 2 and 3. So it is 0.240 liter. We have converted that into liter. So totally the capacity of two jugs is, we have to add 2 liter and 0.240 milliliter. We have to add 2 liter and 0.240. 2.000 0.240. If we add 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 2 is 2, keep the decimal point, 2 plus 0 is 2. So, capacity of 2 jugs is equal to 2.240 liter. Next, capacity of small glass is given. It is 0.41 liter. Now what we have to do? We have to add the capacity of 2 jugs and small glass, and then with that answer we are going to subtract it from capacity of milk can. First we have to add capacity of 2 jugs plus capacity of small glass, that is equal to 2.240 plus 0.41. Add 2.240, 0.41. Add a 0 to make it as like decimal. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 0 is 2. So, the capacity of 2 jugs plus the capacity of small glass is 2.650 liter. We have to find milk left. Milk left is equal to 5.53 liter minus 2.650 liter. We are going to subtract this from the capacity of milk can. 5.53 minus 2.650. Convert this into like decimal by putting as 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Here 5 is greater than 3. So, we have to borrow from the before number. So, 5 will be changed as 4 and 3 will be changed as 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Here 6 is greater than 4. So, we have to borrow. So, 2 will be changed as 4 and 4 will be changed as 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. So, the answer is 2.88 liter. This 0 has no value, so we can leave that. So, the milk left is 2.88 liter. The sixth question is find the perimeter of the given figure in meter. Perimeter means we have to add all the given measurements, but here it is given as in meter in centimeter also. So, we are going to convert all the measurements into meter and then we are going to add. Perimeter means we have to add all the given measurements. The first given measurement is 20 meter, 321 centimeter. First we are going to convert 321 centimeter into meter. AB is given as 20 meter, 321 centimeter. We are going to convert centimeter into meter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 divided by 100 meter. Then for 321 centimeter, we have to divide 321 by 100. In the denominator we are having 2 0. So, we have to keep the decimal point before 2 places. So, it is 3.21. 3.21 meter. AB is given as 20 meter and we are converted 321 centimeter into 3.21 meter. So let us add them. 23.21. Convert them into like decimal by putting zeros. Now add 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 2 is 2. Keep the decimal point. 0 plus 3 is 3. Here we don't have any number, so write 2 as it is. So it is 23.21 meter. Next, BC. 17 meter, 54 centimeter. We already know that 1 centimeter equal to 1 divided by 100 meter. Then for 54 centimeter, we have to divide 54 by 100. In denominator, we are having 2 0. So we have to keep the decimal point before 2 places, 1 and 2. So it is 0.54 meter. BC equal to 17 meter plus 0.54 meter. Both are in meter, so we can add them. Here the whole number part is 0 and here the whole number part is 17. So directly we can add as 17.54 meter. Directly we can add because here the whole number part is 17, here the whole number part is 0. 17 plus 0 is 17. Here we don't have any decimal places and here we are having decimal place. So directly we can keep the decimal point and write 54. So BC is 17.54 meter. Next, CD. 18 meter, 20 centimeter. We already know 1 centimeter equal to 1 divided by 100 meter. Then for 20 centimeter, we have to divide 20 by 100. Keep the decimal point before 2 places, 1 and 2. So it is 0.2 meter. 18 meter plus 0.2 meter. Here the whole number part is 18, here the whole number part is 0. So 18 plus 0 is 18. Here we are not having any decimal places and here the decimal place is 2. So we can directly keep the decimal point and put 2. Directly we can add. Next, DA. 24 meter, 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter equal to 5 divided by 100 meter. So it is 0.05 meter. We have to keep the decimal point before 2 places, 1 and 2. Here we don't have any number, so we have to put a 0. DA equal to 24 meter plus 0.05 meter. Here the whole number part is 0. So we can directly add 24.05 meter. We have to find the perimeter. So we have to add AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. That is equal to AB is 23.21 meter plus BC is 17.54 meter plus CD is 18.2 meter, DA is 24.05 meter. We have to add 23.21, 17.54 18.2, 24.05. Convert them into like decimal by putting 0. Four plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So write 0 here and 1 is carried to next place. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So write 0 here and 1 is carried to next place. Now keep the decimal point here. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, 22 plus 1 is 23. So write 3 here and 2 is carried to next place. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So the perimeter is equal to 83.00 meter. So we have found the perimeter as 83 meter. 83.00 means it is nothing but 83 meter. After the decimal point we are having 2 zeros and it don't have any value. So we can write it as 83 meter. The ninth question is, Ayush is serving 5-liter juice in small glasses of capacity 35 ml each. How much people can be served with that juice? How much juice will remain? Ayush is serving 5 liter of juice to people and he is serving in small glass of capacity 35 ml. So we have to find how much people can be served and the juice left. Quantity of juice is equal to 5 liter. Let us convert liter into milliliter. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Then 5 liter is equal to 5 into 1000, that is equal to 5000 ml. If we are multiplying any number with 10, 100 or 1000, we can just count the number of zeros and add with the number. Here 3 zeros. So we have to add 3 zeros. We can directly add. And the capacity of glass is given as 35 ml. We have to find people that can be served. So we have to divide 5000 by 35. First consider 50. 135 is 35 and 235 is 70. 70 is exceeding 50. So we have to stop here. 135 is 35. Now subtract. We have to borrow from the before number. So 5 will be changed as 4 and 0 will be changed as 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now bring down this 0. It is 150. Find a number that is nearer to 150. It is 140. 4 into 35 is 140. 150 minus 140 is 10. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is 10. Now we have to bring down this 0. Find the number that is nearer to 100. It is 70. 2 into 35 is 70. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 7 is 3. Consider it as 10, or we have to borrow. So 1 will be changed as 0 and 0 will be changed as 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. So we can say that 142 people can be served. The quotient is the answer. People can be served is 142 people can be served, and we have to find how much juice will remain. Remaining we will have 30 ml of juice, and 30 ml juice will remain. First convert liter into milliliter and then we have to divide. So the answer will also be in milliliter. 30 ml juice will remain and 142 people can be served. So in today's class we have solved the problems in the worksheet. Thank you students.